Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. I'm Tami Macala. Let me ask you something. What does mosaic art mean to you? Is it the classical style or the charm and vintage look of Piquet? Or maybe something more unexpected, a mixed media approach? The truth is, all of these are valid. All of them are mosaic art. But the style you choose, it matters. Because why spend hours, sometimes days, and a lot of money creating something that doesn't feel like an expression of who you are? For me, mosaic art is about pushing boundaries. I love creating with found objects, pieces that carry history, texture, and a story of their own. And I use them in ways that disrupt the expected. And when I say disrupt, I don't mean chaos. I mean creating moments of surprise. You might not expect to find a 60-year-old sardine can or an apothecary bottle or rusty nails and screws woven into a mosaic. But when they are placed thoughtfully, while still honoring traditional principles like andamento, they carry something truly unique. In this course, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, how to add disruption and fragments reimagined to your mosaic artwork. We'll begin by exploring where to find your materials. Many of mine come from wandering out in the desert or even on my home property. But for you, they might be anywhere you enjoy the hunt. These are the overlooked, the forgotten, and the unexpected objects. And I'll show you how to start seeing them differently. Not just as things you've collected, but as meaningful elements you can thoughtfully incorporate into your mosaic work. From there, you'll work alongside me as I build an entire composition from the ground up, literally. You'll watch as I dry lay each piece, shifting and adjusting until everything feels balanced, yet still looking a little unexpected. Then we move into setting the pieces permanently. Using my preferred thin set and admix, I'll share one of my favorite techniques, applying adhesive with a piping bag for control and precision. We'll explore how to incorporate more traditional mosaic elements, choosing your tessera, building a color palette using simple color theory, and adding small yet powerful details that bring the mosaic to life. And most importantly, I'll show you exactly how to securely attach those tricky, irregular, and even rusty pieces so your work is not only beautiful, but it will last. You'll follow me through the entire process from start to finish, learning not just the how, but the why behind each decision I make. We'll finish with a practical and super important lesson on hanging hardware, because these pieces carry literally weight, and you want them to be sure they are hung and displayed successfully. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and the skills to take those odd, beautiful, found objects you've been holding on to or hunting for and transform them into a mosaic that feels personal, unique, and artistically yours. I've included a PDF with all of my suggested tools, materials, and resources to support you all along the way. So, let's start disrupting some mosaic art.